This video will show you how to make origami gift boxes. Here are some examples of ones that I've already made. I could use this bigger one as a lid. This is a bigger box because I used a bigger piece of paper. And this smaller box holding my gnome is smaller because I used a smaller piece of paper. If you have origami paper with color on only one side, start with the white side face up, facing you. If you have origami paper like me, where it has color on both sides, it doesn't matter which side is facing up. Start by folding the origami paper in half, taking the bottom to the top. Match up the corners as best you can and make your crease or fold. Then unfold. Now fold in half going the other way, taking the left side to the right side, folding it in half, making a nice crease there. Now unfold again. So now we have a plus or cross sign in the middle of our paper. Now we're going to fold in each of the four corners. So I'm going to take this top right corner and fold that right into the center, matching up the lines of the corner to the creases that I just made so that they match up. That'll help guide me. Make a nice crease. Do that with each of the four corners, taking the corner right in all the way to the center. Make sure you match up the edges of the corners to those creases as best you can. Make nice firm creases. Sometimes I use my nail to make it really a nice clean crease or fold. There we go. So now it's much smaller. It's a diamond shape. I'm gonna just rotate it a little so that it is now a square when I look at it. Now I'm going to take this top edge and fold it into the center. I know where the center is because it's where all the corners meet together in the middle. So I'm just going to take this whole edge and fold it down right into the middle of my new square. It's a little harder to fold because there's so many layers now. I'm going to use my nail to make it a nice clean edge. And then I'm going to unfold it. Then I'm going to do the same with the bottom edge. I want to fold it up to the middle. And you can use the sides to make sure you're getting it as straight as you can. And then unfold. Now I want to open up the top corner and the bottom corner. I want to open those up and then do the same things with the sides. I'm going to fold the left side right to the center, putting that left edge right up to this center point and folding all the way. So left side, fold it in. Then right side, I want to fold that in too and bring it right up against that left edge so they're meeting right together in the middle here. A nice crease there. I think this looks like a pencil sharpened on both ends. What do you think? Now I want to take this top, kind of a diamond shape we can call it. It is a diamond shape up here. And I'm going to fold it over. So I'm going to take this right side, see where this edge is of the diamond and how there's also a line here. I'm just going to make that line even better, a stronger line. I'm going to fold it over that. So taking the right edge, folding it over. You'll notice this right edge here, this part ends up being going across, or we can call that horizontal. I'm just going to make this nice strong fold right there and then unfold it. And I'm going to do that same thing going the other way. I'm going to do it, take this left edge, take it over and down up against this edge right here. This is just going to help guide us when we make the box shape. And unfold. Another fold that I want to make to help guide me is right here. see this? Right at the bottom of this diamond where that point is, I want to fold this over so that it goes down right at that place. Make that really nice and sharp. And unfold. Now I'm going to flip over, just rotate it over, not flip, but rotate, and do the same thing with this top side. Again, what's up here? Take this top right, fold it over on this line so that this is now straight across, and then do the same on the left side. So now this edge is straight across. And then look at where my end of my diamond, where there's a point, and fold right across this line here. Make that really nice and crisp, and then unfold. Okay, here's where we turn this into a box. We want to open up the sides and then push these edges into each other, and you'll notice it's following that crease we made, that fold we made before, where this wants to stand up straight. That's exactly what we want it to do. And then we fold it down over those edges and kind of push it in. You'll get to see this again, so don't worry if you didn't get that on the first try. It took me a few tries too. So we'll do it on the other end so you'll see it again. We open up these flaps and we want to push where these corners are, these where the corner is here and the corner is here. Push them toward the middle, and then it just sort of makes this stand up. Once that stands up, we have something to fold it over. So we're just taking this point, we're folding it over inside the box, and then it'll go down. You can push it down in there, and then this fold here, it just sort of happens. So the point ends up in the inside of the box. So this could be the bottom of a box or the lid of a box. I could use a slightly larger piece of paper to make a lid, or I could make a lid the same exact size, and you can fit them in each other. It's a little bit snug. You have to sort of play with it a little to make it fit inside. But then I can have that be my lid, and this one can be the bottom. Nobody will see that side, so it's okay if it's a little squished because you use the same size lid for your box. What else can you do with the gift boxes?